Hey friends, ladies and gentlemen, and all my followers, thank you so much for sticking around this channel. Remember, on this channel we discuss about how to start small scale businesses. I told you that something new is coming. These have been our IMM gunmetal machines that produce clear school chalk, but now we are under innovation to bring for you these small molds, at least that produces 100 pieces, 200 pieces, and 300 pieces. This small machine will be available very soon. We are doing the testing, and I think our school chalk are coming out excellently like our big machine. So it will be available soon in 100 capacity, 200 capacity, and 300 capacity. Those people who had bought already our clamped molds, we shall be able to give you this small machine at a discount. Wait as we finish this innovation, and I believe this is going to solve many of your school chalk problems. I know many people have been complaining that you have that small lining on your pieces of chalk when you use the clamped mold. This time around, this small machine is going to be making a clear, smooth school chalk. I'll be unveiling to you this small machine nearly after maybe 1 or 2 months. We are developing the housing for it, and I will be introducing it to you officially on this channel. Be ready with the money. I'll give this machine when it is ready, I promise, at a discount to those people who had already bought our clamped molds. Prices are going to be fair because this is my engineer's innovation. Thank you so much. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching my videos. This is going to be one of the best small machine available. I will make it in different capacities, 100, 200, and 300, and even at an affordable price.